Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. My goal with these videos is to inspire people to rethink what's already in their wardrobe, share tips that I use to alter thrifted clothes I've bought, and inspire people to reject fast fashion and consider purchasing secondhand instead. In this tutorial, I converted a gorgeous sundress that I purchased from a secondhand market for $10. It was probably one size too big, but I couldn't resist it because of the sunny color scheme and gorgeous detailing in the sleeves and skirt. It was too good to pass up. With a few nips and tucks, it now fits beautifully. Here's how I did it. The first step was to remove the buttons as I added these back in at the end. To reduce the gaping around the neckline, I took in the seam at the front from the middle of the neckline down to the waistband. Next, I took in the seam at either side of the bodice, including part of the sleeve area, all the way down to the waistband. The sleeves were quite gapy and I was uncomfortable that my bra was showing. And finally, there was a lot of fabric in the skirt, which made it quite flouncy, a little too flouncy for my short stature, I thought. So I took the side seams in on each side to reduce the amount of fabric in the skirt. Because I had to cut off the excess fabric from the original seam, I edged my new seams with a line of zigzag stitch to prevent it from fraying. I don't have an overlocker, so the zigzag is my go-to. And here is the finished dress. I couldn't be happier with how this turned out. It fits me well now. The neckline doesn't gape, the sleeves are modest, and the skirt is not too flouncy. This is a beautifully made dress, and it only cost me $10. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you've done something similar to an outfit that was just a little too big for you. Is there anything you think I could have done to make this alteration better? And if you love thrifting and upcycling and want ideas on what you can do to keep clothing, furniture and other household items from ending up in landfill, make sure you subscribe for updates. See you next time.